You can buy gold without a broker, but you can't ignore the real costs. Buying gold without a broker mostly means choosing physical metal over broker-based paper gold. You don't need a brokerage account to own coins or bars outright, but your real cost isn't the headline spot price, it's the premium you pay to buy. Then, when you sell, the spread is what decides how much you actually get back. Storage doesn't have to be complicated either. For many people, it's a safe and a plan. If you're using ETFs, you're back in broker territory. The cleanest no-broker path is a cash purchase of physical gold, because there's no account to open. The retirement account route is different. A gold IRA still skips a broker, but it requires an IRA custodian, and the metal has to meet IRS fineness rules, typically 99.5% pure for gold. Those IRA metals must be stored at an approved depository, not at home. If you're rolling money over, direct rollovers beat indirect ones to avoid taxes and deadlines. And always total the ongoing custodian and storage fees. The process is straightforward, but you want it to be orderly so nothing gets misunderstood. Start by choosing coins or bars based on liquidity and premium, then request a written quote and lock the price so it can't drift while you decide. After you place the order, confirm the exact product, quantity, and delivery method before you send payment, because payment timing is part of settlement. Next, choose insured delivery or a pickup option that fits your risk comfort. When it arrives, inspect and verify basic details immediately, while all paperwork is still handy. Most overpaying happens because people think spot price is what they'll pay, but spot isn't your checkout price. Common coin premiums can run about 3% to 8%, while larger bars often price closer to 1% to 3%, so product choice changes your cost fast. Fractional pieces usually cost more per ounce because minting and handling don't scale down. Then there's the bid-ask spread, which is the built-in gap between buy and sell quotes. The only fair comparison is an all-in checkout total, not marketing claims. If you want no broker to stay simple, buy bullion, not collectibles, because numismatic pricing adds extra opinion and extra markup. Go in expecting premiums in a spread, and make sure the product's purity and markings match what's standard for that coin or bar. On arrival, demand documentation that matches your invoice, including what you bought and what you received. Decide storage before you buy, not after, so you're not improvising with something valuable. And ask about buyback timing and process up front, so selling later isn't a surprise. If you don't compare the all-in premium and the buy-sell spread, no broker can still mean overpaying. The smart investor matches you to options based on your investment size and goals, then shows the real dollar cost differences between providers. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.